Okay, this is going to be your first stem and leaf. We need to figure out what the key is, and so you got to look at the major important numbers. And it looked like to me the major important numbers are going to be the 10,000s place. So probably your key is going to be, just pick a number like 21. That'd be like that. It's going to equal. Okay, and so that's how we want to do it. So we're going to need, when we do this, we're going to need probably a 0, because this is the 10,000s place, a 1, a 2, a 3. Is that it? Or do we need a 4? Do we need a 4? And a 4. Okay, so let's get that done. I'll put that down there. And so that 8,150 is in the 0 place because there's no 10,000. So then we'd put an 8. Okay, then we'd put another 8. 18 would be here. Okay. So go ahead and get that done. So that's number 1. Number 3, I just want to make sure that you know, you want to know the mean, median, mode, and sample standard deviation for each data set. Okay, remember this is what we want to do. We want to not do it manually. We just want to type in all the numbers. And this one is a long enough data set that you want to be really careful. And so the nice thing about using this calculator is you can look at the list. A lot of calculators can do this. They just do different things for the list. And so I'm going to just double check it so I don't give you wrong answers. It's real easy. So it goes 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. So this was a big table. Then you just hit, and then you're done. You're basically done at this point. You just have to find the information you need. I see my mean. That's 1.9. Okay. Remember, this means mean. Okay, I see my standard deviation. It is also 1.9. Okay, now I scroll down to the mode. Not the mode, I'm sorry, the median. MED is median, it's 1. And then I'm going to look at the mode. What do we think the mode is? What number occurs the most? Is it 1? Okay, there's a bunch of 1s, isn't there? Okay, and we're not really analyzing it, but if we were analyzing it, it looks to me like this is probably the more important thing to say, is the average basketball team in basketball tournament of champions only gets 1 win, right? Those are pretty much the average. Okay, all the above average teams gets more than 1. And so I know the mean is up here, but that's because Kentucky's almost an outlier, right? Where it has 8. And so it really increases this. But we're not having to analyze that. All right, and I think that's it, except for 5 is a different new kind of problem. Sort of. So let's look at 5. Annual household income. Am I going to have to do a stem and leaf, or am I just going to have to read a stem and leaf? Let's just read it, which I like reading it better because it takes less time, but you still have to read it. And more times than not, in real life, you're not actually going to generate anything on your own. A computer is, but you're going to have to read it, potentially. Okay, This particular one's not going to be used a lot in real life, but the concept still holds sound. There's other ways to do this. So it looks like the first digit in my stem is the 10,000ths place, and then the next digit is going to be in the 1,000ths place. So this is what I'm going to type in when I type this in. I'm going to type in 8,000. I'm going to type in 9,000. I'm going to type in 9,000. Uh-oh. That would have messed me up big time, right? Fortunately, with this, I don't have to start over. I can just fix that number. And then I go to the next one. It's going to be, what? Is that it? Okay, and so I'm just going to basically go through that and type in all that stuff in, translating it from this. Okay? That's basically going to be the instructions for this. And then you're still going to do the same